Yo, what's up guys? Parker Johnson here. I got an unboxing for you guys. It's an order from KenCo. I got a raw stripe Zen. I've already had one of these and I really liked them, so I ordered another one. I have jammed this thing so hard. Anyways, let's unbox this. It's a purple raw stripe, so just pretty stoked. I got the receipt. Looks like it didn't come with any stickers. That's sad. Oh my god, look at that. Oh man, that is sick. Let's open it. Extra string bead. Oh man, this is sick. Got that sticker on the base cup. You definitely need to push down the cups a little bit. But yeah, that's it. It's got a sick grain to it, super fresh. Oh man, can't wait to play with this. I'm actually going to string it up with a purple Odesza string, this one here, and I'm probably going to super glue the spike. So I'll be back with you guys in a few seconds for first tricks. Alright, so guys, I just finished jamming this new Zen, and my thoughts on it are all great. I love this kendama. It's definitely one of my top 5 favorites. I've laced a few tricks on and off camera. Probably saw some of the other ones I've landed. But overall, this thing is a beauty. So nice. Definitely get one, guys.